everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, here we are with the last part for the PYQs and we'll be done after that. So chaliye, let's begin and study the fourth part for past year questions. Which of the following causes an increase in sodium reabsorption in distal convoluted tubule? तो DCT में किस चीज की वजह से सोडियम का reabsorption increase ज्यादा हो सकता है? Increase in the aldosterone levels? Yes, obviously aldosterone levels will promote so. Increase in the antidiuretic hormone level? ADH के increase होने से सोडियम का increase होना is not directly relatable. ठीक है, decrease in the aldosterone level? No, क्योंकि increase से होता है. And antidiuretic का so not relatable. So the answer is A. A fall in GFR किस चीज को activate करेगा? JG cells to release renin? Yes. Adrenal cortex to release aldosterone? Not directly. Adrenal medulla to release adrenaline? No, not at all. Posterior pituitary to release vasopressin? Vasopressin क्या था? याद कीजिए. The answer is A here. But what was vasopressin? Posterior pituitary secrete कर रही थी उसको. Correct? Which one of the following statement is correct with respect to kidney function regulation? Exposure to cold temperature stimulates ADH release? No. Increase in glomerular blood flow stimulates flow of angiotensin? No. Decrease. During summer, when body loses a lot of water by evaporation, release of ADH is suppressed. अगर समर्स में बॉडी ज्यादा वाटर लॉस कर रही है तो हमें वाटर को कंजर्व करने की जरूरत है, तो एडीएच को सप्रेस क्यों करना है? एडीएच को तो बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. When someone drinks a lot of water, ADH is stopped. हाँ, ये हो सकता है कि अगर ज्यादा पानी पी लिया तो अभी ADH को कम करना पड़ेगा because we need to pass out more urine. Angiotensin is a protein which is produced and secreted by liver cells. Direct NCERT line. Human urine is usually acidic because of H positive ions. Let's see where it is written. Hydrogen ions actively secreted into filtrate. Many times discussed. What will happen if stretched receptors of urinary bladder are totally removed? तो फिर यूरिन कलेक्ट ही नहीं होगा यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में, क्योंकि उसके स्ट्रेच रिसेप्टर्स ही तो स्ट्रेच होते हैं, तभी तो वो सिग्नल जाता है. So urine will not collect in the bladder. Next, person who is on a long hunger strike and is surviving only on water, जो बहुत प्यासा है और वो सिर्फ पानी पे सर्वाइव कर रहा है, will have less urea in his urine, क्योंकि वो खा तो कुछ रहा ही नहीं है, तो ब्लड वेस्ट बनेगा ही कम. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Sebum, sexual attraction? No. Sweat, thermoregulation? Yes. Saliva tasting? No, that is tongue. Tear, excretion of salts? Tears में basically we do not have excretion of salts like directly. Okay, so the answer is B. I not say completely wrong because some amounts are due, but not exactly. Presence of which of the following conditions in urine are active? I told you ketonuria and glucoseuria in the previous video. I said कि diabetes mellitus के indicative है और तभी ये recent question भी है. Then last question. Okay, there is some miss. We'll just try and understand like this only. Nitrogenous waste build up in the body, non-elimination of excess potassium ion, reduced absorption of calcium ions from gastrointestinal tract, and reduced RBC's production. I think it will be difficult to do without the upper content. So I'm sorry, I'll just see what the error in this question. Rest all we have completed and we have started all the MCQs which were there related to this. Any doubts, any problems related to this past year questions कि कोई concept पढ़ा हमने कुछ था, question में कुछ था, ऐसा कोई भी doubt है तो just let me know. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.